share screen. A very good morning. It's Mr. Henley here for your Cambridge Checkpoint Science lecture. This is a checkpoint preparation introduction. Okay, I know that at KS3, which is our lower secondary, we have 3 years to study, which is year 7, year 8, and year 9. In some school, we are calling this as stage 7, stage 8, stage 9, right? Okay, so what are we going to learn in these 3 years? Okay, I will try to explain briefly for these lessons. Okay, so in a minute, I shall introduce you to this course, okay? And then have a plan with you. Okay. So CIE Chemistry Science, this is the diagram that I took from the internet, which is from your Cambridge CIE exam board. Okay. Oh, sorry. At the age of 5, one can enroll into the primary course, which is the curriculum and the assessment for 10 subjects include. However, the compulsory one, I think, will be English, Math, and Science. This will be tested at the end of the checkpoint 6, which is year 6. Now you are here at the age of the 11 to 14. This is lower secondary. Curriculum and assessments for 10 subjects available. The major one will be also English, Math, and Science. After this year 7, year 8, and year 9, this is year 7, year 8, year 9, year 7, year 8, year 9, okay. One may further into this upper secondary, which is you can choose from IGCSE, O-level, or ICE certificate. ICD certificate, there's a slightly different requirement. However, the subject will be the same as you took for these two. And at the age of 16, you can enroll to the A-level, which is, we call it an advanced level. So today's course will be here, okay? If you look on the internet, you can see this Cambridge Lower Secondary Science, which is 1113, or the code or 0893. I will show you what's the difference between these two. Okay. Our exciting lower secondary science curriculum help the learners develop a long life curiosity. Curiosity is the foundation of learning of the natural world, and enable them to seek scientific explanation to the phenomena around them. How is the program taught? Yeah, this is important. Okay, in UK or this IGCSE program, in the year 9, okay, there are 6 main areas. Okay, they call streams. You should learn number 1, biology, which is about living things around and how they interact. This is about 3. Right? This is about animals. This is about the interaction between these two. We call it a food chain, a carbon cycle. The next will be chemistry. We study the study of the matter. This is a ice cube. Ice cube can melt into a water. Water can evaporate or boiling to the steam, right? Next one will be the physics. Physics is the interaction between the matter and the energy. This is about the force. The force. This is about the force. This is about the temperature. This is about how the toy car move, right? The movement of the car. The next will be the Earth and the space. We study the planet, the solar system, and beyond that. Before starting off any sessions, each year from year 7, year 8 to year 9, thinking and working scientifically is within the introduction topic. This helps the student to understand the skill and the scientific models, and representations, scientific inquiry, and practical work. Yesterday we talked about scientific inquiry in the year 8 programs. And the last is the science in context. There will be 2 types of the tests available. Number 1 is this one, Cambridge Progression Test. Another one will be Cambridge Checkpoint. Okay, there are some different here. Can you see? Okay. Cambridge lower secondary progression tests are internal. Can you see this word? Internal assessment that help you to check learners' knowledge, skill, and understanding. Available for our core subjects. English as first or second language, math and science. Okay, so there will be 3 subjects. Okay, let me write down for you. This is an internal. This is English. Okay, math and science. And then this will be available for year 7, year 8, and year 9. Okay. Year 7, year 8, and year 9. Okay, and most importantly, let me erase this one. Cover the keywords. Internal means that this is marked by your teacher in your school. Okay, so it's not external paper. This is internal paper. The teacher who teach you will mark the paper for you. Okay. However, this is good to provide a detailed information about learners' performance, and then the teacher can compare the strength and the weakness for you, and then this paper will come with the clear guidance, standards, and marking. Okay, and one can also find the past paper by typing this progression test, but you need to type this progression test. If not, they won't come out. The next, this is, I think, well established long ago. Since I think many accrediting international school, they are using this checkpoint 9, right? Okay, so this is not the internal. Okay, let's have a look. Cambridge lower secondary checkpoint monitors individual groups performance at the end of the primary program. This external test, yeah, this is a keyword. This is external test. Okay, it's marked by Cambridge International. Okay, to give you extra confidence in the feedback that you receive and share with your parents. Okay, so if you are taking checkpoint in your school, this is an external paper. If you are taking progression test, this is an internal paper. This is the main difference. So I think it's increasing. Okay, more and more schools are now not taking checkpoint, but they are taking progression tests. Okay, so the subject available will be English, math, science, okay, and Cambridge Global Perspective. However, the first 3 will be the main one. See how the learner are performed against the international benchmark. Yes, your mark will be compared internationally and in comparison of the rest of their class. Easy monitor group and individual performance will give you a diagnostic feedback report. Okay, and then your report will be received. Okay, so for this paper you have 2, which is May and October. Okay, so the progression test you can have anytime. Okay, anytime. Can you see? Anytime, any place. So this is for your school. Okay, and this is for external paper. Okay, so here Mr. Henley is providing a 24 lesson program from today until the 10th of July. And it is a 6-month program. We are using books by Hodels, Collins, and Cambridge from these 3 publishers. So you may follow us if you are going to take the exam this year. Okay. So the contents are introduction, which is today, and a 19th chapter free lecture and 4 revision. Okay, this is practice and some tests. Okay, some tests. Okay, how to use this program? How to use this program? This is a timetable. You may have a screenshot for this page. Okay, for example, the Wednesday. This is, oh sorry, this is Wednesday. Sorry, this is wrong. This is wrong. Should be Wednesday. Should be Wednesday. Okay, Monday is about year 7. Okay, so today is the introduction class. If you follow us for next week, on the 19th of January, this is the photosynthesis. We will guide you through, okay, the framework of this chapter next week, and some topical exercise will be given, so that you can test on your understanding. And if you'd like to have further exercise, please feel free to comment and let us know so that I can prepare for you. Okay, and then we will have our lecture and by chapter. And if you see this revision 1, it means that okay, we will revise the previous topic with a set of the exercise. Okay, some of the questions will be discussed online, and some I will just display the answer so that you can double check. If you still don't understand and don't know how to solve the question, feel free to comment and let us know. I will try to give you a detailed discussion for that. So at the end, after 24 weeks, which is come to the final revision, I will try to pick out the past paper for the exam checkpoint and let you try by yourself. And this is the whole program. Okay, before that, we have year 7 on Monday, year 8 on Tuesday, and year 9 on Wednesday. Okay, if you are taking checkpoint, please, you can also look back to the year 7 and year 8, because you are not only tested on your year 9, however, it's on year 7 and year as well. But if the test is a progression, you need to look back, going back to your teacher and see what is the scope of the test. Okay, this pre-lecture is from Monday to Wednesday. Candidate can listen to the lecture from year 7 on Monday, year 8 on Tuesday, and year 9 on Wednesday, and to prepare their exam, to prepare your exam. This will last for 6 months. You can use this as a preview, a lecture, and also a division after class. Okay, we really hope that this program will help you and make your learning easier. You need to be listen carefully. If you want to score an A star, all right? Okay, progression test is about 6.0 over 6.0. If you want to score a full mark, okay, always listen carefully to the lecture. The lecture here, and also your lecture in your school or any lecture. And here I will give you some topical exercise for you to practice. Okay, so the key is lecture plus practice. Okay. Please review. The practice is important. Can you see? People like to say that the most important thing will be repeated 3 times and more, right? Review. Okay. So do the given practices to strengthen your memory. Okay. I always like to use this example, which is so-called 9901. Okay. To get 100%, it's about 99% and 1%, right? However, what the teacher taught in school, teacher is only 1%, but the student's self-learning is about 99%. So these practices will give you the 99%. If you do the practice, sure you can score your 99%. Okay, and the teacher will add up 1% for you to make your life 100%. Okay, before I put this online, okay, my team have another material which is we already load on different colorful notes. Okay, this one you can purchase online and you can look for Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Some other material will be here. The most famous one are the colorful handwritten notes. Okay, and this will help you to strengthen your memory with the power of the color. Okay, and another famous one will be the compilation of the past year paper. Okay, you can look all these things from our different colorful notes. Okay, this is slightly about the topic that is available. Okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, there are 4 main strain. Okay, even though there's 6, but this is the 4 main one. Okay, so all you need to learn is the scientific inquiry, which I have done yesterday on the year 8. You can check with that. The idea and the evidence, planning investigative work, obtain and present evidence, and consider evidence and approach. In biology, we'll learn about plants, humans, cells, living things in their environment, variation, and classification. For chemistry, we will learn state of metal, material properties, material changes, and the earth. For the physics, it's about force and motion, energy, the earth and beyond, sound, light, magnetism, and electricity. Okay, this is the scope of this program. So, if you really want to and love to learn, and is going to take your exam this year, please follow this class. This takes about only 6 months. Okay. If you want to listen to the lecture, please follow. If you need some preview from the teacher before your class, yes, please follow our class. And wish to get some topical practices, yes, we will be giving you. And if you want to have a well-structured plan for your checkpoint 9 preparation, I think this one is good for you. Okay, you can just take this one as your planner throughout the year. Okay, so I think this is for today. We really hope that next week's class will help you on your path of learning. So a goal without a plan is just a wish. So I have a plan for you for this 6 months. Kindly follow your plan and build your own plan for your life. Okay, and you can always look for internet to find some goal planning strategy. Okay, so see you next week. Okay, and learning as a team, you'll always make your learning easy. Thank you.